In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the URL of your scheduling page in Acuity. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Acuity account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the scheduling page. To do this, look at the main menu, and you should see the option clearly labeled. Click on it. You are now one step closer to making that URL uniquely yours. Upon entering the scheduling page, direct your attention to the submenu. Here, you're going to find something labeled Link. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the section called General Scheduling Page. What you need to do next is look for a prompt or a button that says Change Link Name. You'll likely spot it without much trouble. Click on this option to move forward. Now comes the fun part, customizing your URL. You'll see a text field where you can enter the new name for your URL. It's crucial to keep in mind that your new URL name can include only letters, numbers, and hyphens. Also, be mindful that it cannot end with a hyphen. So if you're thinking about adding one, make sure to place it strategically within the word, but not at the end. It's also essential to remember that the custom part of your URL needs to be between 2 and 65 characters long. Make sure you're abiding by these requirements to avoid any hiccups in the process. It's a good idea to think of something unique, yet relevant to your purpose or brand. That way, it's easier for your users to remember and also more effective in representing your business or service. Once you've come up with an appropriate name that fits the criteria and entered it into the text field, there's just one more thing to do. Look for the Save button. Clicking this is your final step. This action will ensure that your customized URL is officially set and ready for your clients and visitors to use. Looking back, it wasn't very complicated, was it? You've transformed your standard URL into something that reflects the professionalism and individuality of your practice or business. Now, every time someone visits, they'll see a link that you chose specifically with them in mind. Customizing it isn't just cosmetic, it's practical and convenient. That's it. You're all set with your brand new eye-catching URL. Don't forget to share it across your various platforms so your clients can easily find and use it. Customizing your scheduling page URL not only enhances your online presence, but also adds a neat personal touch. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Happy scheduling!